Introduction to CSS Variables. CSS Variables are also known as CSS Custom Properties. They contain specific values to be reused throughout a document. CSS Variables follow the same rules as other CSS properties. They are set using custom property notation, e.g. main color black. Primary benefit of CSS Variables is that they facilitate the maintenance and management of CSS. Declaring CSS variables. CSS variable is declared using 2 hyphens followed by the variable name and then the value. Example: main color coral. CSS variables are case sensitive. CSS variables. A CSS variable can be used in your style sheet by calling the var function. Example: background color var main b color. Scope and inheritance in CSS variables. CSS variables follow the rules of cascading and inheritance. Variables declared in a parent element will be accessible in child elements. Variables are often declared within the root pseudo-class to make them globally accessible. Tips and tricks: use meaningful names for your variables. Provide a fallback value for variables using the var function. Common errors and how to avoid them. Remember that CSS variables are case sensitive. Ensure your variables always have valid values. Understand the scope of CSS variables to ensure they are applied correctly. Conclusion: CSS variables offer a powerful way to manage and manipulate recurring values in your style sheets. With a good understanding of their syntax and usage, you can leverage CSS variables to write cleaner, more flexible CSS.